Spotify Camp Nou is entering a new chapter, and its transformation is becoming impossible to ignore. New sandwich panels are rising, ceramic lamellas are reshaping the mobility cores, diamond structures are nearing their future glazing, and the massive compression ring continues its steady advance. With major construction work unfolding simultaneously, there is plenty to discover. So, let's take a closer look. At the south goal, sandwich panel installation is continuing across the mobility cores, with a new panel now installed in the upper section and extending toward the overhang. Workers are using a vacuum lifting system to position the panel before securing it into place. The progress is becoming increasingly visible, with several panels already installed across this mobility core. Nearby, the tower crane that had been handling compression ring components appears to have moved to another working area. Meanwhile, the support structures around the mobility cores continue to develop. Several connecting elements are already installed, although some upper components are still missing. These remaining pieces must be completed before the anchoring system for the ceramic lamellas can be installed. One of the biggest visual changes is now taking place on the lateral side, where ceramic lamellas are being installed rapidly across the mobility cores. The work only began recently, yet a significant number of red lamellas are already in position. Several gaps have been left between different sections, which may eventually accommodate lamellas in other colors. So far, however, the newly installed elements are almost entirely red. With many more lamellas already prepared nearby, this area could change dramatically over the coming days. If the current pace continues, more sectors will soon become connected, giving the mobility cores a completely different appearance. Further along the lateral side, construction continues around the diamond structures. Formwork panels remain in place in some sections, while other areas are being prepared for the next stages of work. One section is still waiting for concrete, with the blue reinforcement mesh already installed and ready for the next pour. This continues the progress already made across much of the surrounding structure. At the nearby mobility cores, workers are also painting the structures positioned in front of the elevator areas. After recent alignment work on the anchoring guides, the area now appears to be approaching the next stage of facade installation. Above, additional work is taking place around the upper lamella section and the lighting elements already installed there. Workers appear to be checking and adjusting the area to ensure that everything is properly aligned. Further along the lateral side, the first formwork panels are now being removed from another diamond structure. With the concrete fully dried, workers have begun dismantling the panels and exposing the completed sections beneath. The removal process will continue across the remaining areas. Once the formwork has been cleared, the diamond will be ready for its next stages of construction and finishing work. Arriving at the north goal, workers are carrying out preparation work around the mobility cores. Activity is visible around the structural beams, suggesting that the area is still being prepared before sandwich panel installation begins. However, the necessary materials are already nearby, including large quantities of sandwich panels and ceramic lamellas ready for future installation. Several sections of the north goal have already been completed with ceramic lamellas, while other areas remain in progress. With materials stored close to the work zones, installation can continue as soon as the remaining preparations are finished. At the nearby corner, another ceramic lamella is now being lifted into position using specialized equipment designed for these facade elements. The lower section of this false ceiling area is already highly advanced, although several lines of lamellas are still missing. Installation is steadily moving toward the remaining gaps as more elements are prepared and lifted into place. The spacing between the lamellas is also clearly visible. These gaps are part of the design and allow airflow through the structure, creating the distinctive appearance of the future facade. Meanwhile, the nearby mobility core appears ready for sandwich panel installation. The structure has already been painted, with the remaining work focused mainly on completing the necessary supports. Reaching the Tribune side, another major compression ring box has been installed in the corner section. These enormous steel components are steadily extending the ring around the upper structure of the stadium. Several radial beams are already prepared for installation, while additional formwork supports have been positioned above the pillars where the next structural elements will be placed. Step by step, new boxes, radial beams, and pillars are extending the compression ring toward the next major connection point on the Tribune side. Around the Tribune area, additional structural components have arrived, including elements connected to the compression ring system. The two mobility cores in this section already feature sandwich panels in their upper areas, although work on the lower sections has temporarily slowed. Progress is expected to continue gradually from the corner toward the central Tribune area. Other construction tasks are also continuing around the structural elements, while additional materials remain positioned nearby for future installation. Outside the stadium, another diamond structure is showing clear progress. Several supports for the future glass panels have now been installed across both the front and side sections. More supports are being added as workers gradually prepare the structure for its future glazing. Once the glass is installed, this diamond will gain the same impressive appearance already visible in other completed sections. At the same time, a large curved structural component has arrived and is being moved into the interior of the diamond. Its exact purpose is not clear from the available view, but work is clearly continuing inside this structure. The compression ring remains one of the biggest construction developments across the stadium. Another large structural beam is being moved toward the Tribune area, while additional ring boxes continue to be installed in the corner section. A new radial beam and pillar are already prepared for the next stage. The required formwork supports have also been positioned, allowing the next major structural elements to be lifted into place. The ring is steadily advancing toward the tower cranes. Whether the next connection will be completed within the current month remains uncertain, but the structure is clearly getting closer with every new box, pillar, and radial beam installed. Spotify Camp Nou has always been more than just a stadium. It is one of the defining symbols of FC Barcelona. Now, as this historic home enters a completely new era, one question remains. How spectacular will it look when every part of this transformation is finally complete? The answer is slowly taking shape before our eyes. And with the stadium continuing to evolve week after week, the next chapter of Spotify Camp Nou is already beginning. Thanks for watching, and stay with us, because even more exciting updates from Spotify Camp Nou are coming in the next video.